Home Assistant versus Apple Home. Choosing the right smart home platform can transform your living space by making automation simple and reliable without the hassle of compatibility issues. Both offer unique advantages for smart home control. Home Assistant is an open source platform offering extensive customization and broad device support. Apple Home focuses on seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem with user-friendly controls. The core difference lies in flexibility versus ease of use. Home Assistant is an open source smart home platform that runs on your local network, giving you full control over your devices and data. It supports thousands of smart devices across brands, enabling complex automations through customizable scripts and integrations. The platform works by connecting to your devices via protocols like Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Wi-Fi, consolidating control in one interface accessible via app or browser. Its strengths include unmatched flexibility, privacy since it operates locally, and a large community contributing to continuous improvements. However, it requires some technical knowledge to set up and maintain, which might be daunting for beginners. Home Assistant is ideal for tech-savvy users who want full control, privacy, and the ability to customize every aspect of their smart home without being locked into a single ecosystem. Apple Home is Apple's proprietary smart home platform designed to work seamlessly with iPhones, iPads, and Macs. It connects compatible devices through the HomeKit framework, focusing on simplicity and security. Apple Home works by using your Apple devices as hubs, enabling remote control and automation via the Home app or Siri voice commands. Its strengths include effortless setup, deep integration with Apple products, and strong encryption to protect your data. The platform supports a wide range of certified accessories, ensuring reliable performance. However, Apple Home is limited to devices within the HomeKit ecosystem, which can restrict device choices and advanced customization options. It's perfect for users already invested in Apple products who want a straightforward, secure smart home experience without needing technical expertise. Home Assistant and Apple Home serve different user needs. Home Assistant excels in flexibility and device compatibility, making it suitable for enthusiasts who want to integrate diverse gadgets and build complex automations. It requires effort to set up, but offers complete control and privacy. Apple Home prioritizes ease of use and security, providing a polished experience tightly integrated with Apple devices. It's ideal for users who prefer plug-and-play solutions and voice control with Siri, but are limited to HomeKit certified products. Choosing between them depends on your comfort with technology and your existing device ecosystem. If you value customization and privacy, Home Assistant stands out. If you want simplicity and seamless Apple integration, Apple Home is the better choice. Choose Home Assistant if you want full control, extensive device support, and privacy-focused local automation tailored to advanced smart home setups. Apple Home is the best option for Apple users seeking a secure, easy-to-use smart home platform with reliable device compatibility and voice control. Both platforms offer strong benefits, so select the one that fits your lifestyle and tech preferences for a smarter home experience.